XEN holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. First and foremost, just want to say thank you for all your support. It's just been absolutely amazing to see you guys are killing it. And again, it speaks for itself as far as the community is concerned, really shows how much momentum this community has. And again, I really appreciate all your support. So continue supporting. You will see a continuation of these daily updates. So today is a major day. Reason why I say that is because, today's the FOMC meeting. We're literally approaching the FOMC meeting in the next hour or so, after recording this update. And the market is still kind of, unsure as to what's really going to be discussed in this meeting. Are we going to see a rate cut finally announced, or are we going to see nothing change? And right now, the market is reacting in that way. But XEN had a major day today. It's one of the coins, one of the top gainers, if not the top gainer right now in the top 100 coins, which of course, is really nice to see. And if you're looking at the rank itself, it's back in the top 100, up 11.3% in USD. Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, it's up much more than that. These numbers are just a little glitched up. Now, valuation making its way back above $1 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 541.5 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. OIP, dash 52 is now passed with overwhelming support. The final tallies are below: 232 votes with 983 million XEN, 8 votes with 16 million XEN. The proposal is now, queued for deployment. And, a lot of people are excited about this specific factor. Justin Sun apparently is going to, and again, these are rumors that are flying around right now. Maybe, it is going to become a reality. But Justin Sun apparently is going to be, that supporter, quote unquote. And again, we're going to hear more developments out of this. But let's see what happens, right? A lot of people are still focusing about that burn, vote, which I think is going to come or get announced by Onyx. But as of now, I think we haven't really heard anything in terms of, the vote itself. But again, I don't own any of this coin. I give you guys my personal thoughts. We do price analysis, really understand what's happening. But boy, did it move up quite a bit over the past few hours. So again, it begs the question, what's really causing this? And again, that's what we're going to be talking. You're looking at the Bitcoin dominance shooting up to 60%. Literally what we've been speaking about. Literally what we've been speaking about day in, day out. Dominance is shooting up right now. While Bitcoin is still, stagnant. If you're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin wicked down to $101,400 just a few hours ago, making its way back above 102 right now. Like I said, going into FOMC meeting, a lot of uncertainty right now, which of course is causing the dominance, to pick up more, while Bitcoin is still on the shaky end of the spectrum. And again, if there is no rate change, if there's no change to the interest rates, I do anticipate, market will retrace down, believe it or not. We're looking at the broader market. Yes, XEN is doing crazy moves right now, but you cannot ignore what's happening with the broader market as we speak. So, that's that. Looking at Bitcoin, this wick 101.448, obviously back above 102, but like I said, the next few hours are very, very important, and pay attention to the FOMC meeting and see what's discussed, and then we'll kind of take it from there. But let's really analyze XEN price right now and understand what we're looking at right now, because the price is showing significant amount of bullish momentum. And again, there's a lot of factors that go into this, right? I've had a discussion with you guys yesterday. They are announcing a lot of bullish things right now. There's a lot of eyes on XEN, and once that is done, the project is going to pretty much keep going with this momentum. Of course, they don't want the momentum to die down. But if you are an Onyx holder, if you know that Onyx has been building throughout the bear market, that's great, right? But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. Some people are quite big fans of Onyxcoin, some people are not. And again, diversification. If you have done your due diligence research and have diversified your portfolio with Onyxcoin, I'm sure you're not really complaining at this point, because it has a lot of hype on its side. There's a lot of speculation about big centralized exchanges coming on board, and could a centralized exchange really be be on board the reason why you're seeing such crazy price action right now? Possibly. Do insiders know something that we don't? Possibly. These are a lot of factors, that need to go into consideration. But what's really impressive here right now, to me specifically, is the fact that as dominance hits a new yearly high of almost about 60%, you are looking at Onyxcoin holding really, really strong, against the broader market. There's, of course, like I said, insiders. And also one thing which a lot of people will ignore is this. Remember, Onyxcoin made its way down to the likes of 2.2 cents. We spoke about this level. And, maybe, over leveraged positions coming in and, start shorting, thinking that, the price is going to fall down. And this is where, the market makers are going to step in. The whales are going to step in to shake out all these over leveraged positions. And that could have been a possibility as well. I haven't really gotten to see the rate, in terms of the futures for this coin, but I think that could also be a possibility, causing a short squeeze to occur. Everything needs to be considered, but I'm sure no one really is complaining right now with this major move towards the upside. Literally yesterday, you were seeing this thing sitting at about 2.2 cents. Since then, it has gone up, quite substantially. Sorry, not yesterday, on the 27th. So again, if you want to put this into perspective, if you picked up somehow around this range, this thing is up 71.27%, guys. A major move towards the upside. But let's kind of talk about targets, because that's what everyone wants to know. So remember the fill the wick thing that I spoke to you guys about? Literally, go back and watch some of my updates here. I said usually you do tend to see these wicks filling in, and look what happened. Look what happened, guys. This wick filled in. We retested the wick high and got rejected, as to be expected. It's a 4 cents resistance, and literally right at that neckline, the price retraced, and we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. So if you want to put this into perspective, the price dropped about 13.69%. Again, a wick all the way down here, but right now, we're only down about 8.8% for our daily high around this range. So now, what you want to see here happen? Of course, everyone wants to know when all-time high, when this, when that. If you want the price of Onyxcoin to break out, the best confirmation for us would be, number one, closing the daily candle above here. You know what? Let's make a straight line so you guys can understand what we're looking at. So you want to see Onyxcoin, which again is XCN, breaking out of here. Literally, simple as that. I'm not going to, confuse you guys with some of the other, tools. So pretty much you can see, this wick stopped us back on the 27th. We retested here, retesting this key resistance 2 different times, but you want to see this breaking out. But with that said, even though Onyxcoin has so much momentum right now, if Bitcoin retests like 97K and dominance shoots up to the likes of 60%, this will have an impact on XCN coin, believe it or not. Even with this momentum that we're seeing, the 24-hour trading volume is low right now, compared to what we have seen. So, this is something I want to keep in mind as well. But I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. You guys know I'm unbiased. I'm not just going to sit here and, tell you guys, the chart's looking bearish or bullish. Right now, it's definitely looking bullish because, of course, this reaction, while the dominance is so high, is really speaking a lot of volume for XCN. But you want to see this breakout. You want to see this breakout. If it's able to do that, I do believe yearly highs could be in play quite fast, because after this key resistance, you're looking at about a move of 31% for this to get back above all-time high. So of course, that is, where my overall analysis is coming from. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions on, Onyxcoin? What excites you the most? Let me know what excites you the most. People are very fast to talk about, price targets, this and that. If you are a holder of, XCN, what excites you the most about XCN? That's what I want to know from you guys in the comments. If you have not subscribed, or are you waiting for, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.